Your face is on the front page of the newspaper, accusing you of bribery. What happened is, I just did my job.
Oh, that famous journalist who just died? Yes. And you know what? I have a huge feeling that this has something to do with the article about our government.
That article that I authored for that. We shouldn't trust ourselves in that jerk.
Jerk. Yeah.
Let's fight for a right.
Fight for a right. Let the truth prevail.
What's happening here?
We can't let you get out of control. Get control of our minds again. What? What did we do?
Yes, we don't want to listen to your hypnotizing lies.
But we did nothing.
Excuse me, ma'am and sir.
Why?
Please.
Come on, arrest these people. They are just disturbing us from our work.
Sorry, I don't think so. They are not the one to arrest, but you.
Why? We did nothing. Sorry, sir. So let's go.
No.
Sorry, sir. Our conscience can't take it anymore. Haven't I paid you enough?
You know what to do.
You know what?